To Bergamot Orange. And this is, again, one of those herbs where you want to pay attention to your botanical name, because bergamot is also used to describe, anyone? Bergamot bee balm. And that's in the mint family. It's Monarda fistulosa, an entirely different plant, absolutely beautiful. But we're talking here about Bergamot Orange, and it's actually a cross between the bitter orange and lemon tree. And so we're the botanical here that we're looking at is Citrus aurantium and Citrus bergamia. And this is a beautiful, beautiful plant. And the pulp, the zest is used in teas, make extract from the oranges, and also the essential oil, very popularly used. And that's what we're going to dive in and take a look at here. So from a Western perspective, this is going to have antiseptic, deodorant, antispasmodic, vermifuge, help get rid of, intestinal parasites, important antidepressant properties that we'll look at here in a moment, fight fevers, antimicrobial, that means fights viruses, bacteria, fungal infections, yeast, molds, you get the idea. And digestive properties, just to name a few. And I give those to you because when you're using an essential oil, all of the compounds and constituents that are found in a substance, in a plant or natural healing substance, are going to be highly concentrated. So a little goes a very long way. We're talking like 1 little drop to 4 ounces of water. So very typically, this is used incredibly effectively externally. People forget how absorbent the skin is and how quickly things can go right into the bloodstream just by rubbing them into your skin. And inhalant as well really goes to the brain and helps open up passages and gets it circulating again. The blood goes to the lungs to pick up oxygen. It's picking up this beautiful scent within, carrying it throughout your system. So 2 compounds, alpha pinene and limonene, not surprisingly, are both found in Bergamot Orange. And these are known for helping to stimulate the system, circulate blood, move qi. So not surprisingly, from a traditional Chinese medicine perspective, this is a liver and spleen qi moving herb, also known for lifting qi, lifting one's energy, but also calming shen, which is your consciousness, your awareness. So this is this great property of where it comes in as a antidepressant capability here. These compounds work very closely to calm the system, but lift the spirit so you're not just, flattening out, if you will. And they're known for helping to reduce mental and physical fatigue. And they do this by enhancing circulation that in turn helps some hormonal secretions that also help maintain effective and proper metabolic rates. Metabolic energy. Every single cell has to have metabolism, has to have this energy cycle going on so that it can function and do its job. If that gets impacted or interrupted, you start to have physical outcomes, and that includes depression. So this is an important one for depression. Certainly anxiety as well. These 2 compounds also happen to stimulate digestive juices, so improving your bile production, your insulin production, all helping with, preventing diabetes and supporting the absorption of proper nutrients, which is sometimes an issue for people. Now, bergamot is also the only citrus fruit that contains the compounds milletidin and butyridin. And these are known for being anti-cholesterol, and importantly so. Their only thing stronger than them is considered to be statins. And as some of you may know, those are important heart-regulating drugs. So Bergamot Orange, and we're just talking again here, even just inhaling, using it in massage, let alone taking a tiny drop in a bunch of water. A final compound that's good to know about, although there are many, many. I'm not just saying it only has these. They have many. This is the power of natural healing, is cicatrizin. And this is found in bergamot, and it's why it's so wonderfully used externally to help heal scars. It helps with the distribution of skin pigments that can help alleviate any kind of sort of wounds and improve and soften any sort of, scarring that may have occurred or tonal imperfections. For example, that may have been caused by acne or other, serious skin rashes that some people have had to contend with. So there you go, a little bit about bergamot orange and its uses as an essential oil, a method not to be underestimated.